No, it's very simple for me since I have been practicing this since ages, okay, for more than 2-3 decades. So that is why I can say that it's easy,
Yeah.
but of course investing is not easy,
Yeah.
although it is simple, but not easy because we only make everything complex. So as you know that I'm applying that SMILE formula that everybody
Yes.
knows. So we are not going to discuss that. Besides thing, one I have
No,
summarized.
but please give the full form. Maybe there are new viewers who've joined in, maybe who haven't heard much about the SMILE philosophy. That's his philosophy of investment.
Yeah, so SMILE stands for small in size, medium in experience, large in aspiration, and extra large market potential. So this is what I am following.
Yes.
So I am trying to catch a fish in the ocean, not a crocodile in the pond. Because if you are today, you are a small fish, you can transform yourself and you have
Become a
entire
giant
ocean
whale,
to
yeah.
cover up.
Yeah,
So this is
yeah.
what I'm looking for in a company. But my another philosophy is very simple. That I am just tracking. You can say that an athlete, okay, which has set a record in the past, and if that athlete falls sick, I just keep it on my radar. I keep that athlete on my radar.
Okay.
You know, like a company which has created some milestone in the past.
Okay.
Whenever the last economy was, whenever the last
The boom cycle was the last.
cycle was
Okay,
there.
okay.
That time they had done some things. They have created some milestone.
Okay.
And now they have fallen sick. So
Okay.
I am waiting for that athlete to recover.
And then
to
start
regain
running
its
again.
own, it's a past glory or better than that. Only thing is that stamina should be there, still
Right,
left in the
right.
in that athlete.
So give us some examples from the portfolio, if you can, of the one odd stock where you might have adopted this approach.
So there are many stocks, and I think that is the backbone of my investing. Like I applied the same formula, and again we are talking about stock. So I'm not a SEBI registered consultant. I don't pay any services. I don't offer any services. I don't charge anything. Nor I am a consultant, nor a broker. So we are just discussing
just to understand the thought process.
The thought process.
Yeah.
So like I had bought, for example, Tejas Network during the COVID. Okay, so it's a company. It was once before COVID, the stock price was 400 rupees, and it was termed at the only company in India in telecom equipment,
networking,
equipment, not in services,
right?
In equipment. So it was termed as the maybe Huawei of China,
potential Huawei of India. Yeah.
But ultimately, stock price did not do well, and company did not do well, and the stock price fell from 400 to 500 rupees to 40 rupees during COVID, and company had a loss of 100 crore rupees in a year or so. So it was an athlete which has created a track record, but fallen sick and came down to 40 rupees during COVID. Of course, COVID also helped it to come down to this level.
Absolutely, it compounded the crash.
So that is all right. But the company was available at a throwaway price. And that time I found that all these telecom services company, because they are giant, like Jio was there, and of course Airtel and Vodafone, so 2.5 companies as they call it. Call them. So those companies were still surviving, and other all 10 or 15 company had vanished. So now these companies, the telecom company, had started doing capex and all, and for lies they had a very bad patch between 2012 and 2019 or so, or 18 and 19 or so. They did not expand and did not do any capex and all. So I realized that this is the only company in India which into those this network equipment, and the future of telecom services company, which are the customers, has started reviving. So to me it was no brainer at that point of time, and the kind of the money the company was losing, actually they had cash in the books. So I bought that Tejas, and luckily it helped me.
I am just checking the stock market price of Tejas Networks right now as we have these conversations. 862.
Yeah.
You bought close to 40.
Yeah.
862.
Yeah.
Now that is the way a multi-bagger is picked. So that's one way. Please.
Yeah.
So that is obviously one way. We understood that lesson, that you pick well-performing companies, good growth companies in a downturn. When things are not going in their favor, but if they have the stamina, as you said, they will indeed bounce back. So, ek tarika to ye ho gaya. Any other thing, any other tip you'd like to share with us in terms of picking a stock?
Now, I will give you one example. When we sit in the plane, the air hostess tells you कि sir, 2 द्वार आपके पीछे हैं, 2 द्वार आपके आगे हैं, 4 द्वार बीच में हैं. आप ध्यान रखिए, आपका निकटतम द्वार आपके निकट भी हो सकता है.
Yes.
So what I feel that मेरे को इससे ये समझ में आया कि स्टोरी जो है वो आपके सामने है, आपके निकट द्वार में है.
Right.
You can sense what is going to happen in India. You can sense which story is going to play out. You can see where is the next opportunity.
Yeah.
I realized this maybe 1.5 years back कि एयरपोर्ट पे जाते हो आप देखो एयरपोर्ट बस का अड्डा बन गया है.
बिल्कुल, बैठने की जगह नहीं होती.
बैठने की जगह नहीं होती. आप काउंटर देखो सब फुल. और आप एयरलाइंस में जाओ सब वो प्लेन रुकता नहीं है, सब खड़े हो जाते हैं और ऐसे लग रहा है बस में हम लोग आ गए. पहले बस में चढ़ते थे तो ऐसे लग रहा कि हम एकदम वो बस के अंदर में आ गए.
It's an ordeal to fly now, yeah.
So forget about all this. One thing I have realized, Surbi, that when luxury become necessity, that is the story to watch. That is going to become the next story. You know, when luxury becomes necessity. So now coming to this thing, so 1.5 years when I started looking at all these things around, and then I bought an airline company.
Yeah.
Okay. Again, it's not a recommendation, just for reference purpose, just for an example. I bought Indigo, like I bought.
Yes.
And this I said on TV also, on the budget day, last budget day, in February 2023. Before the January, February 23. So just looking at this thing, forget about, I did not see any ROC.
Because usually they say airlines are the worst business. I mean, they never make money, right? This is like worldly wisdom of the markets.
Of course, even Mr. Warren Buffett also says that. So maybe he's right, but things change. You know, remember he was saying that my technology, Apple mein nahi karunga, something had happened.
And that was one of the best
yeah,
stocks in the
performance.
portfolio.
Now I think 30-40% of his portfolio is Apple only. So things change, and he has also said that principles are outdated. He has also said the same thing. So I think this airlines thing is going to play out for next 10, 15, 20 years. I may go wrong, and I may sell my cell tomorrow also. Please remember this thing.
Absolutely. You know, you're putting all the caveats out.
But I'm just trying to, for the benefit of the for the fellow investors, I'm trying to share my thought that how do I judge a story? How do I that? So this is how I feel this idea should be.
How you should think of ideas.
Think of ideas. It's look around and you will find a lot of ideas.